Yo, good evening, guys. What's going on? Another fantastic day, another fantastic night. Things are looking good. They continue to look like we are back on track for the next leg up of this bull run, guys. I could not be more convinced and more excited about it. We're going to have a look at XCN, taking it to the next level, guys. And JASMY. Hara did an AMA earlier today. We showed a clip of it. Did we show? Yeah, we showed a clip of it earlier. I'm going to do more of a breakdown of what he had to talk about on the AMA moving forward, so stay tuned for that. So let's have a look at JASMY here, up 8.4% on the night. We're down 10% on the week, down 20% on the month, but we're up 456% on the year. We're up 7 spots in rank, back to 76, $1.41 billion market cap, and the volume's up a little bit, 145.64 milli. You'll love to see that. XCN having a little bit of a breather, down 21.4%, up 96.6% on the week, up 969% on the month, and up an astonishing 1,643% on the year. We're down 14 spots in rank to 116. Market cap is way up there, guys, 727.87 million. We're getting closer and closer to that $1 billion market cap. And the volume is still pretty high, guys. 749.68 million in volume. Very, very nice. All right. And we're also going to have a look at the end of the video, guys, about the question I keep getting asked. Is it altcoin season? We're going to look at it. So stay tuned for that. All right, let's have a look over at JASMY here, guys. JASMY is creeping while you're sleeping right now. Check it out. On the daily time frame, we're testing the 100-day SMA. Seems to be resistant so far. Can we break above it? We're 2 cents 919 right now. Can we break above that 100-day SMA and start heading towards the breakout of this descending channel that we have been waiting for what feels like forever? And here's the thing, guys. Patience will be rewarded. We're having a good night. Can we break out tonight? We're going to stay on top of it, man. This breakout to 7 or 8 cents is coming. In my opinion, guys, hold in there. Stay strong. I just made a big purchase of JASMY again yesterday, so I am definitely holding my ground. Let's go over to XCN's chart. Have a look what's going on over there. All right, so like I said, a little bit of a pullback here. I wouldn't even call it a pullback. We're still right inside this range. We're at 2 cents, 2,777. Now, I speculated that I think that we're going to kind of ping pong in this range right here, probably for a good week and a half, 2 weeks, similar to how we did down here. We ping ponged here for about a week, right? What, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So about a week, right? So are we going to do the same thing here? We're going to ping pong in this area, let the RSI cool off just enough to make that next leg up to around that 4 to 5 cent level. That's what we're going to be paying attention to, guys. So I think we'll stay roughly in this range. We may wick down a little bit here and there, kind of like we did down here. If you remember, we wicked down to about 208 and then wicked right back up again. Will we wick down? Like, look how far we wicked already. And the buying pressure shot it right back up. We wicked all the way down to 1 cent 76 yesterday. And it wicked. Look at that buying pressure just wicked right back up. So I think this is generally a safe area for consolidation, guys, give or take, unless Bitcoin has some sort of a significant crash. I think this is what we're going to be looking at, a little bit of consolidation, which is fine. Accumulate is always on the table, accumulation. So, why not take advantage, right? Let's go have a look over at the Crawdaddy Bitcoin, see what it's doing, see what's going on. What are we going to see moving forward? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days out of the last 8, we have rejected off the neckline here of this double bottom pattern. We got to get this break above. We're chipping away at the sell wall here. What's happening, guys, is there's a massive sell wall right here where people have a lot of sell orders obviously put in, right? So every time we get up there, we fill some of those sell orders, we reject back down again. But the good news is, the more we hit that sell wall, the more the chances are we'll break to the upside, right? We'll break through it. My target out of here is about $118,000. I think it'll come sooner rather than later. Right now, sitting at $104,479. The break is coming, guys. Patience is key. I think that right now, a lot of the market is just sitting on the sidelines, waiting to see what Jerome Powell has to say next week. That is going to be a big moment. Everyone wants to know what Powell's response is going to be to Trump publicly demanding that rates get cut. So we'll have a look at that, guys, next week, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully Jerome Powell doesn't crash the market and everybody's bags can pump. But I'll tell you right now, if he does crash the market just a little bit, then I'm backing the truck up once again, and I'm going to continue to load those bags up. All right, courtesy of community member, my guy Jetpack. You know him, you love him. He shared all of this recognition that Onyxcoin is starting to get. Look at the momentum from all these different articles. Blockchain Magazine. Onyxcoin sees 35% price increase amid market rally. Onyxcoin has been making waves in the crypto world lately. Its price jumped a whopping 35%, and everyone's talking about it. But what's behind this sudden rise? Well, it's a lot to do with some strategic moves the team has made. Their eco-friendly approach and community that's really getting involved. Let's break down the key takeaways from this exciting development. The key takeaways are: Onyxcoin's price surged by 35% recently, capturing market attention. Strategic partnerships have played a big role in boosting Onyxcoin's value. The community's active engagement is helping drive Onyxcoin's growth. Onyx eco-friendly blockchain design is attracting eco-conscious investors, and market volatility remains a factor, but the future looks promising for Onyxcoin as we continue to accumulate at these prices. Another article, Coin Speaker, sleeping giant Onyxcoin awakens with massive 800% price surge over 2 weeks. XCN's token hits 2-year high with 800% gain in just 2 weeks following a resolution of the HTX Global and Justin Sun, while trading volume spikes 270% to $1.4 billion. Let's get it, baby. And it doesn't stop there. Crypto.news. XCN's crypto rises nearly 150%. What is XCN? XCN crypto surged by as high as 149% in the last 24 hours of trading, soaring nearly 400% in the past week. What is XCN? And is it headed towards higher gains? According to data from CoinGecko, Onyxcoin's token has been on an upward climb since mid-January. At the time of writing, XCN has risen by 149%. It is currently trading hands at 2 cents 9, but traders on X believe it can go as high as 8 cents or even 10 cents. One analyst on X predicted the tokens could yield up to 10x gains for traders. XCN's last all-time high stands at 18 cents for one. The last time XCN value surpassed 5 cents was 2 years ago in 2022. So far, the token has been making good progress throughout January, riding high off the current crypto bull run. In the past week, the token has gone up by nearly 400%, even more so in the past month. XCN crypto has surged by 1,195% in the past 30 days and nearly twice that much in the last year. All of these people acknowledging and talking about our precious gem that we plucked from obscurity over a year ago on the Patreon, and we spent an entire year accumulating this bad boy. We have made multiple 7-figure millionaires over on our Patreon buying into projects like this over the last year. And the rest of them that didn't quite reach 7 digits are up high 6 figures, guys. This is why you want to be over on the Patreon. We have 5 other gems right now that we're looking at that are going to do just as well, if not better, than XCN. And closing it off, so get over there, guys. Closing that off, XCN from New T says, so Justin Sun blows up XCN in the morning, and later in the day, it's officially is officially a big investor. XCN is now officially linked to Trump. Yes, he is. Justin Sun is an advisor on Trump's Liberty Financial project, so he is directly connected to Donald Trump. So there you go, XCN now officially linked. What if, guys, and I'm just going to speculate here, what if, because of this and the connections with Trump and Sun, what if Liberty Financial decides to add XCN to its portfolio? We know it's been buying, 10, 11, 12 different kinds of cryptos right now, from Aave to Wrapped Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ondo, so on and so forth. How is this going to affect XCN's price if Trump decides to add to the Liberty Financial portfolio Onyxcoin, because Justin Sun might advise it? He is on the board. He's an advisor to the project. Think about that for a second. Tell me that's not next level. I told you, I bring the alpha, guys. I got the fries that'll cross your eyes. And breaking, JASMY continues to disappear from exchanges. Again, guys, it just doesn't add up. In about a month and a half, the exchange supply of JASMY has dropped from 13 billion to 11 billion. The 5th largest wallet, which I showed you yesterday, just since January 8th, has accumulated another billion tokens. Somebody knows that something big is about to happen with JASMY. There's no other explanation for it. You don't see 2 billion tokens being taken out of circulation, scooped up off of exchanges, and zero price action to the upside without price manipulation. Someone's holding the price down so that they can accumulate at these prices. And when they let that beach ball that they're holding underwater up, it's going to touch the clouds, baby. It's going to touch the clouds. And finally, 2 indicators I'm going to show you that tell you it is, in fact, not altcoin season. On the altcoin season index, we are right smack dab in the middle between Bitcoin season and altcoin season. It's not altcoin season unless we are up above 75 or higher, guys. And we are not even close to that middle ground. To that top area. We're stuck in the middle ground. And the other metric that I'm going to show you, despite what you might see like Bitcoin Maxi say and stuff like that, I know a lot of them are saying, oh, there might not be an altcoin season, yada, yada, yada. Guys, listen, we talked about this earlier tonight over on the Patreon. I'm going to show you again right here, right now, guys. People ask me, how do you know when it's altcoin season? So this here, guys, this right here is February, January, and the end of January right here. So going the end of January to February, into February, this is the market cap of Bitcoin dominance. Plummets down 45.79%, all the way down to 39.94% for the Bitcoin dominance chart. Okay. So in saying that, how do you know when it's altcoin season? Well, you're going to know it's altcoin season when Bitcoin dominance drops from where it is right here down to this little box. We're not even close to altcoin season as of right now. When Bitcoin dominance falls to around 40%, that's when we're in altcoin season. Okay. And to show you, we'll go to the total 2 just to prove my point. Total 2 is the market cap of everything outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So here we go. This is the altcoins, right? The altcoin market cap right here. Have a look. January 2021, last bull run. From January up until May, ran up 1,100%. This is all of the money from Bitcoin flowing into the altcoins. This is altcoin season kicking off in the last bull run, guys. We are so close to that time frame. It's not even funny. It's coming. You know it's coming. I know it's coming. That's what she said. Let me know what you guys think. And as always, guys, like I said, if you want to get in early on projects like XCN before they have these kinds of runs, guys, you got to get over to the Patreon. We have had hundreds and hundreds of people join our community over there in the last couple of days. It's been absolutely crazy. I've had to start applying far more of my time over there than I do over on YouTube now. The live chat's always going. We do 2 live sessions a day over there as well, one in the afternoon, one in the evening. We help. We've been doing a lot of the veterans. Shout out to the veterans like Jetpack, for example, helping out a lot of the new people coming in that don't understand how to use like DeFi wallets and all that kind of stuff. It's been phenomenal. We're dropping gems over there. We're looking at 5 coins, I'm telling you, that are going to perform very similar to how XCN is. A couple I've already started. So get over there. You're missing out. The link is down below. And on top of all of that, you can also schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. So check it out, guys. The link is down in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.